Doctor, I see the light.
That's just the ceiling lamp.
God's calling me.
No, really, it's a fluorescent bulb.
No, it's heavenly feathers and trumpets.
Mm-hmm.
Officer, write my will. I leave all my debt to the cat.
Oh, my God.
And nurse, bring me a taco.
Officer, today you ate beans and lentils. I can smell it.
What? Wait, what did you just say? Oh, come on. Ha, no way.
Lentils, big lunch, big smell.
You are unbelievable.
Good thing I like you, otherwise I'd file a complaint.
All right, all right.
Oh, my grandma, don't go, damn it. Don't leave me all alone yet. Take me with you. Who will give me my little food? Ah, please don't take my grandma away, I beg you.
Oh my gosh. Hang on, sweet girl. It's okay. Come inside. You're safe now. Let's get you warm.
Let it go, son. I'll get you another one.
He's giving you little kisses. Oh my goodness, listen to you now. You're okay. You're being silly. Happy birthday, Julie.
No way.
Easy girl.
He's pressing them like they're empty.
60 kilos each. Massive.
He's got it. Come on, big guy. That's it. Knock it out.